Hello, in this video we'll be learning highest common factors. Highest common factors. So before we proceed, let's try to know what a factor is. A factor is a number that can divide another number without any remainder. For example, if we look at the factors of 4, then we'll look at figures that can divide 4 without any remainder. 1 is a universal factor, 2 is a factor, and 4 is a factor of itself. So aside these 3 factors, no other number can divide 4. So that's what a factor is. So that means 1, 2, 3 are factors of 4. Every figure is a factor of itself, and 1 is a universal factor, and other numbers that is capable of dividing it without any remainder. So that's what a factor is. So when we talk about highest common factors, that means we are looking for a common factors between some numbers, and let's have these examples. So in the first example, let's find the HCF of 20 and 30, and the second example, let's find the HCF of 12 and 18. So the best method for HCF is actually the prime factor method. It is short, brief, and very fast. So how do you do that? So let's have a solution here for number 1, which is A. So we have our 20 and 30. So just rule your rule, prepare your row and column. So let's do it. Then you think of prime factors that can divide both of them together. So the first is 2. 2 goes in 20, 10. 2 goes in 30, 15. And what goes again is 5. 5 in 10 is 5. No, sorry. 5 in 10 is 2. And 5 in 15 is 3. So meaning that our HCF, the highest common factor, is 2 times 5, which is 10. So the highest common factor is 10. And to know if your HCF is correct or wrong, you may try to divide your figures with your HCF. So 20 divided by 10 is 2, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. So that means it is a common factor for both of them, the highest of their common factor. So in our second example, let's look for the HCF of 12 and 18. 12 and 18 using the same method. So we'll start with 2 because both of them satisfy the test of 2. So this becomes 6 and this becomes 9. So if you check very well, you see that 2 cannot go again in both of them, but 3 goes in both of them. So we use 3 again. So 3 here is 2 and 3 here is 3. So meaning that our HCF is equal to 2 times 3. So that becomes 6. So meaning the HCF is 6. And to check if the answer is correct or wrong, try to divide it. So 12 divided by 6, that's 2. And 18 divided by 6, that's 3. So this is how to find the HCF of numbers. Very easy and very good and fast, really easy and fast. So this method is very easy and very fast. Please subscribe.